Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be learning how to make Pikliz Zonyon. This is the onion version of the cabbage pickles. If you have Haitian food before, you know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't, today's the perfect day to try one of our most famous little side dish. And today, for our ingredients, we would have 2 onions, 4 limes, 4 bonnet peppers, 1/4 green pepper, 1/4 yellow pepper, and 1/4 red pepper, followed with 2 bouillon cubes. And the utensils we'll be using will be a lime squeezer, a knife, a bowl, and our hands. You can prefer to use a glove. Step 1, we're going to chop a bonnet pepper. Step 2, we are going to slice our bell peppers. Step 3, we're going to slice our onions. Step 4, we're going to crush our bouillon cubes and season our onions. Step 5, we're going to cut our lime and squeeze the juice into a bowl. And step 6, you can use your hand or use a glove and mix all the ingredients together. The finished product should look like this. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future content, and comment down below if there's a Haitian dish you're interested in. Thank you again. Bye.